Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore how to organize your files in Google Drive and quickly find exactly what you're looking for. If you've been using Google Drive for a while, you may notice that your drive can become cluttered with many different files. Fortunately, Google Drive has powerful tools built in to help you search, sort, filter, and organize everything with ease. Let's begin with searching for files. At the very top of your Google Drive, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the bar, type the name or keyword of the file you're looking for, and press Enter. Google Drive will immediately display all matching results. Now, if you think you've found the file you need, but you're not completely sure, you can preview it without opening it fully. To do this, hover the mouse cursor over the file. A quick preview window will open. Another useful feature in Google Drive is sorting. You can sort your files by the date they were last modified. This is especially helpful when you're trying to find a file you edited last week or even last year. Next, let's talk about using filters. Filters work like search, but they give you broader options to narrow down your files when you're not sure of the exact file name. To use filters, click the small arrow on the right side of the search box. A menu will appear where you can choose the type of file you're looking for. For example, if you want to find only PDF files, just select that option and click Search. That's it, Drive will show only the files that match your filter. Now let's move on to organizing your files using folders. Creating folders is one of the best ways to keep related files together. To create a new folder, click the New button on the top left, then click Folder. Type a name for your new folder, press Enter, and your folder will be created instantly. Adding files to a folder is very simple. Just click and drag the file into the folder. When you double-click the folder, you'll see the file inside. You can also create folder by right-click in the empty area and select New Folder, name it, and that's done. If you need to add multiple files to a folder, there are several ways to do this. You can click and drag your mouse over the files to select several at once. Another way is to press and hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and then click each file you want to select. You can even deselect a file the same way if you clicked on something by mistake. After selecting your files, drag them into your folder. Now let's talk about deleting files. If there's a file you no longer need, simply select it and click the trash icon in the upper toolbar. This sends the file to the trash. If you want to delete a file permanently, click on Trash named bin in the left panel. Then, open the drop-down menu next to Trash and choose Delete Forever. This will permanently delete all files and folders in the trash and free up space in your Google Drive. Finally, if you want to see all available options for any file, just right-click on it. A menu will appear where you can preview the file, open it for editing, share it, move it, or even download it to your computer. And that's it. These features will help you stay organized and make it much easier to find and manage your files inside Google Drive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.